Okay, for 68, they want us to find f of negative 4 for all these functions, right? So for a, they want f of negative 4 equals, and I'm going to substitute a negative 4 in for x. I'm not going to do anything else on the first line. Always substitute directly. So negative 4 and negative 3 is negative 7, and the absolute value of negative 7 is 7. So f of negative 4 is 7. For b, right, I'll do that here, f of negative 4 equals, so now we're using this equation, right? And I'm guessing that's a typo, and it's supposed to be negative 5 times the absolute value of x, right? So f of negative 4 equals negative 5 times the absolute value of negative 4. F of negative 4, so I'm guessing this is a typo in the book, and that was supposed to be absolute value, which is negative 5 times 4. The absolute value negative 4 is 4, so f of negative 4 equals negative 20, and that does sync up with the answer in the book. Okay, hopefully that's fixed in the electronic version by the time you're watching this video. Okay, for C, we have f of negative 4 equals absolute value negative 4 plus 1, right? Because we're using this one here. So f of negative 4 equals the absolute value. Negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. So f of negative 4 equals 3, right? Absolute value negative 3 is 3. And for D, we have f of negative 4 equals negative 4 plus 3 minus 6. So f of negative 4 equals negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. And the absolute value of negative 1 is 1. So we end up with f of negative 4 equals 1 minus 6, which is negative 5.